You would never live in a house that looks like this. You would feel suffocated. But this is exactly where you live every day. You are a digital hoarder. You have 10,000 photos you never look at, 50 open tabs for later, old texts from people you don't even talk to anymore. You think it's just data. You think it's weightless. You are wrong. It is taking up space in your RAM, and it is taking up space in your soul. Why do we keep it? Fear. What if I need this screenshot from 2019? You won't. What if I forget this moment? If you forgot it, it wasn't important. But the real reason is darker. We keep digital artifacts because we are afraid to let go of our past selves. Keeping old conversations with ex-lovers or ex-friends isn't history, it's an anchor. It forces you to subconsciously live in a timeline that is already dead. It is time to purge. Rule 1. Delete every screenshot older than 30 days. Rule 2. Unfollow anyone who makes you feel jealous or annoyed. Rule 3. Clear your desktop. A cluttered screen creates a cluttered mind. When you delete the junk, you aren't losing anything. You are gaining space. Delete the old version of you. Make room for the new one. Subscribe to get clean.